Hello guys, today I'll show you one app control everything in your home. Let me show you the app firstly. Here. TUYA Smart. You can search TUYA Smart and download it. And here you can control everything. For example, electrical, smart lighting, home appliance, chicken, and security and sensors, and sport health, others. So one app control everything. Okay, you know we specially alarm system. So let's connect one by one. At first, all this alarm panel. This alarm panel supports Wi-Fi and GSM. Wi-Fi, it connects to app through Wi-Fi. And GSM will break home when power off, when Wi-Fi can't use. And motion sensor, door sensor, remote control, metal remote control, and sockets, smart sockets, 3 types or many types. Why I say smart sockets? Because it can connect to the app and then be controlled by app, switch on or off. I show you it. And for cameras, these cameras is not all-in cameras. It with a motion sensor together. It also can detect someone active in that area. And the difference between these two cameras is this camera support adjust the angle up or down. I show it too. Okay, so let's connect one by one. I first connect the alarm panel. You know, all this panel can connect to app through Wi-Fi. So choose security and sensor, and then choose alarm system Wi-Fi. Here you need to confirm indicated rapidly blink. It means you need to run the alarm panel into run mode. Hold press this button for 2 seconds. Look, first flashing means it's ready for connecting to app. Then press here, and here enter a Wi-Fi account and a password, and then confirm. Connecting. Okay, connected to successful, and here you can rename the TUYA alarm. Our default is home alarm. Then complete it. Here, look. The panel reaction is in time, right? This Okay, and here you can look. DC power supply, it means it connect to power supply. And later setting, all setting can be done on app. For example, timing, password, and phone number, SMS number. And here I want to know one thing. You can restore factory setting on app. It's very easy and very smart. And then runs accessories. Press add factory. Switch on the motion sensor. Add successful. And here you can delete or two. And here you can rename the motion sensor. For example, room 1. Save. and you can here you can change the zone type. We have normal zone, lift zone, smart zone, emergency zone, close zone, doorbell zone, welcome, and the elderly ask for help. Okay, confirm, save. Okay, let's add one more door sensor. Add successful. And here you can rename to. Later, add to one remote control. Add successful. And look, let's check. Arming. Disarming. Here. And we need to add the phone number for phone call here. Down. Can run and back. SMS number is same. Sorry, made a mistake. Down. Back. Here. Look the record. Just now we arming or disarming the panel. The record is in time and show time and disarmed or time for arming. Okay. Let's show you other devices for this app. The socket. Brass connect to power factory. Then hot brass this button. Let it change to land mode. Look here. The right, you're flashing. It means it's ready. Connect to app. Then press the operator on the app. Electrical outlet. And confirm here. And same step. Connecting. Okay, connected successful, and here you can rename the block too. Okay, let's complete, and then use a right for testing. Switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. It's very interesting, right? Okay, let's finish his. And for cameras. As I said, the camera is camera with motion sensor. Okay. Connect power supply factory. Then hold press the button until you listen some sound. It means it's ready for connect to app. Then operate on app. Here. And security and sensor. Here. Smart camera. And next step. And same step. And then look here. I think this step is very interesting. Look. And continue. Let the camera scan the QR code. beep one time means connected successful. Had the beep. Connecting. It's very fast, right? Okay, here you can remain the camera too and complete. Look. Look here. You can look the camera. It's right, it's good. And you can screenshot and speak. You can speak and you can record. You can break direction and alarm. Look here, alarm. It's very important. Motion detection, alarm switch. You can switch on the whole day, and you can address the low sensitivity and medium high. Okay. For this camera, you can look in the detector. For example, moment here, messenger. Just now, the camera detects the movement. Look, look here. So in the camera is motion sensor and the camera together. Okay. Later I'll show you the situation when alarming. Look. At first, I'm in the system. I'm pushing. Okay, later. Active the motion sensor. Smart camera also detect someone. And SMS. Phone call. Message 2. This time the arm. Okay, so that's all. So how do you think all this around, all this one app control everything?